Hi and welcome to this next video in the SoundMegas music production videos compression course. This one's about compressing your kick and your bass together. Why would you do that? Well, once you've compressed your kick and once you've compressed your bass independently and on their own for whatever reason to tighten up, to add more click to your kick, what you then may find is that it may be beneficial to send your kick and your bass to their own group track with a compressor on it, and then just slightly compress both of them together just to help them gel. Again, it's very similar to the group compression that we done earlier. Remember? Like we used this to control the peaks and then we used this to gel them together, except this time there won't be any peak control because you should have already taken care of that in the kick and bass on their own. If for some reason when you send the kick and bass to their own group track it seems to add peaks for some reason, which isn't a possibility because you're adding two sounds together, then yeah, stick something in to control the peaks. But in this instance we're simply going to send the bass and kick to the kick and bass group and deal with them that way. So, kick and bass, we're going to solo that, and we'll use bass 2, I think. Yeah, and we'll just send that to kick and bass as well. So, what do we really want to do? We just really want to gel these together, don't we? Yeah, I think that'll make sense. So very light compression here then. Now, something we haven't looked at, I guess, is FabFilter Pro C's presets. I never use them, but maybe we should have a little look at them, see what there is. Mid this side, parallel compression, pump me to the radio, pumper, push this side. Gentle left-right leveling. Nah, I prefer doing it myself. Okay, so we'll leave it soft knee. Take the auto gain off, and we just want a gentle, somewhere in between 2 and 4, I would say. As you can see, there isn't that much in the way of transient compression going on at the minute, or gain reduction, just with this. So, but again, this is the thing, do we really want a lot? Remember, these have been compressed already, all we're trying to do is gel them together. Do we want to increase the attack, or do we want to try and increase the punch, or don't we? Do we want it to be compressing quicker, just to really help tighten both the attack portions up? Again, this is down to you. For me, I'm going to let most of the transients through, but I'm going to have a longer release this time. Maybe just to give it a bit of pump. Of course, you could use this for creating, making your bass and kick pump, but I'll show you that in another video. Okay, do we really want it there? Whoa, bad. Subtlety is the key. I don't know that I want that much gain reduction. I think that's probably more like it. Is that 2.5? Okay, so that's the kick and bass compressed together. Basically, we've just done nice light bit of compression just to try and gel them together. Let me know if you can hear a difference. If you can hear a difference, shout, "Yay, I can hear a difference!" Well, I can definitely hear a difference. There's a little bit of pumping in there, just a little bit, but I can hear the transients coming through quite nicely, not too much, and there's definitely a bit of dynamic control going on there. So yeah, I think that's good. Let's hear it with everyone else. Yeah, I much prefer that. Excellent. Okay, that's compressing your bass and kick. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next ones.